I'm going to ride from Long Beach to San Diego and back in one day on the shortest day of the year. Our estimated time on the water is going to be about 4 hours each way, including a fuel stop in Oceanside.
You get caught coming back from San Diego too late, it's going to kick your ass, especially if you're not used to riding over a chop.
To conquer this trip, you have to be willing to take it.
You know, any of y'all that think y'all ride, come join us at the Ironman. Make it happen with us.